Welcome back to the channel. I thought we'd have a look down the shopping street now and see how the construction work's going on. Well, it still looks like there's lots to be done. Let's have a walk down. I think those new lights are absolutely atrocious. If they call it modern art or something, I don't know. But still seems lots and lots of work to do. At least they're putting back some sun shelter. The pagodas seem to be being rebuilt again. It looks like they've put some of the slabs down now, so we'll be able to see what improvement there is to the paving here. There's just plain grey flags with some embossed with a little bit of colouring. Plain and simple, I suppose, but they paid a lot of money for it. Well, I don't know, you either like it, it's like Marmite, innit? Love it or hate it. Definitely don't like them lights. A bit more colour in some places. Very plain and uninteresting flags in others. That's it. Spending millions on this. Put in the comments below if you like it or if you dislike it. This is where your tourist tax is going. This area seems a bit more near completion. Anyway, thanks for watching the channel. Please subscribe to see ongoing works and how we get on with it all. Press the like button, subscribe, share, tell your friends to join the channel. What's on Cala Milllor. Thanks for watching.